how to extract individual PDF pages as separate files on your Mac. If you want to save specific pages from a PDF as separate PDF files, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the PDF in the Preview app. Next, click View in the menu bar and select Thumbnails. You'll now see all the pages of your PDF in the sidebar. Select the page you want to extract. To select multiple pages, hold the Command key while clicking each page. Now, drag the selected pages from the sidebar onto your desktop or another folder. Preview will automatically create a separate PDF file containing the pages you selected. If you want to rename the new PDF, right-click it, choose Rename, enter a new name, and press Return. Repeat the same steps for any other pages you want to extract into separate PDF files. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.